Hello you guys, it's your girl Kayla, and today I am back with another video. So in this video, I will be doing this hairstyle. You're going to need a wax stick, some edge control of your choice, an edge brush, a small tooth comb, eco styler or any gel you use, a brush, a mini brush, and a paddle brush, as well as a wide tooth comb and some hair ties. And you're also going to need some hairpins and some rubber band. Don't forget your drinks to keep you hydrated because you don't want to run out of breath because this hairstyle is some work. So as you saw, I was combing out my hair, and now I'm just making a middle part so that it can be the base of that middle braid. After you make that middle part hair on the right and left side, and then bring those parts together to make the middle braid, if that makes any sense. If you don't understand what I'm saying, because I don't really either, just watch. After you're done parting, section off a front piece of that part for those two twists that are hanging down in the front. Then you're going to take that section and part it further back so that the braid can look like it's going all the way down the back when it's really not. Now section off your hair so that you can begin to part for those two front twists. Now split it down the middle and curve around, and just like that, and that'll be what you do for both the twists. Pin those twists away, and now you can begin to braid that middle section. So you're going to take some edge control and you're going to put it on the base of the braid to make sure that the braid looks nice and sleek. Excuse the fuzzy look because I actually touched the camera because I'm dumb. So now you're going to take a tiny part in the front and you're going to start braiding. Now you just going to braid that whole section down. If you do not know how to braid to the scalp, this is not the video for you because I cannot give a tutorial on that because I'm already bad at explaining anything. Go ahead and hydrate yourself. Now we're going to part all the way down the back to get those two buns. I'm going to show you how it's supposed to look, but I want to give you a disclaimer. This part is probably crooked, girl, so and look at it, crooked. But now you're going to take a section in the front because we're not done sectioning, girl. You're going to take you a section in the front, and that'll be used for those two ponytail things in the front. After you section that off, detangle that really quickly, and then do another section to get that first ponytail. You're going to brush down your edges because you don't want the rubber bands to catch your edges because we need our edges. Then you're going to take your wax stick and rub it against the root so that that ponytail can look nice and sleek. This hairstyle did kind of hurt because of these rubber bands, because I had to tie them so tight so that my hair could look as sleek as the picture, being that my hair is type 4. I can't just tie it like 3 times and it looks sleek. No, I have to tie it a whole bunch of times. So this made the style very tight. So I would suggest you not tie the rubber bands as tight as I did. You're going to do that same thing to the next section as well. After, you're going to just twist that front section and connect it to the back section. Secure it with the rubber band, and you're done with those two front sections. Now you're going to brush through that section that you sectioned off in the beginning. Whew, girl, I can't even speak. But yeah, you're gonna go ahead and do that, and then you're gonna gel your hair up in the back and brush, and make sure you also comb to make it really sleek, because that gives it a nice sleek look. After you've done that, you're gonna take out that loose ponytail and tighten it up to make sure that that ponytail is secure. And you're gonna add that middle braid by putting it towards the back, because you don't want it to like go straight across, because that does not look good. Now I'm just wrapping my hair around the base so it can look like a little bun. And this next thing is optional, so you just put a little gold jewel on that front one to give it a little spazz, you know. Then you're gonna do the same thing you did on that side to the other side. It's nothing different, the same exact thing, same exact process. Now that you have completed that, you're going to go ahead and get those two front twists. So you're going to take them out and you're going to comb through one of them, move those edges down, because again, you don't want to twist that up. Then you're going to take some edge control, put that around the base to make the top of the twist look very sleek like the picture. And then you're going to twist down with no product. I didn't put any product in here on my hair, it's just moisturized. But I did add gel and edge control to the end to give it a curl. And do that same thing to the next twist. Hydrate yourself again, because like I said, this hairstyle is a tiring one. But now we're going to go ahead and do those baby hairs, because what is a style without baby hairs? Nothing. So go ahead and swoop the baby hairs, girl. If you would like a baby hair tutorial, let me know on my Instagram, because that's where I look more. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Okay, and now you are done, girl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on, and follow me on all my socials. They're always in the description, and they're right here on the screen. I love you guys so much. Bye.